Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. So today in this video, we are going to provide the solution for this question, Employee Credit Union at State University, explaining the allocation of funds for the coming year. So in this question, they have provided a tabular format of various type of loans and investment and their annual rate of return. And the question they are asking is how should the 2 million would be allocated for each of the loan investments alternative to the maximized total annual return, and what's their projected total annual return. So we have used Excel solver as a solution. So let me go back to the Excel. So this is the part A for the question. We have taken decision variables. So A, F, O, S, and R. These all are decision variables. A is for automobile loans and F for furniture. And similarly, O for other secured loans and S for signature loans, R for risk-free securities. And as mentioned in the question, the objective is to maximize the annual rate of return. So this is the maximize function. And we have the constants, that is available funds, then risk-free securities, then signature loans, then furniture loans and other secured loans. And this one is the other secured loans and signature loans. Now, this is the solver part, and this one is the decision variables. So this will be automatically provided through the Excel solver. So we have used Excel solver, and these all are automatically derived from the Excel solver. And these are the constants. So as mentioned in the question, we have taken that one in this solver conditions. And we have used Excel formulas over here to get our solution. So this is our objective, and the objective meets at 1,888,000. So this is our final answer for the solution as a solution part. And as mentioned, this one is the annual rate of return 9.44. So this one is for the solution part, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. And to get this Excel file, I will be mention my uh, email address and WhatsApp details in the description part of this video. And you can just reach me out. You can just email me or WhatsApp me. I will definitely provide you the Excel file. And thank you. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.